Hey everyone, it's Soberchino here, and today we're going to make a song for the one and only Mie Goreng. I'm talking about this. We're gonna be making a song today for this right here. Are you ready? I bet you are, boy. Alright, so in my previous video, if you watched it, we spoke about this. Let's see if we can manage to pull this off today. We only have 90 credits, so I did my homework and sound is what we're gonna do here. Okay, lyric box.
Yang kau dan aku dalam satu diri.
So this is what we're meant to do. We're meant to get this. When does it end? 34, 36. So we were meant to put it around here. And then we get the second part.
Cintaku hang seperti mie goreng, gurih manis membuatku senang. Kau dan
I like this song heaps better, man.
selamanya.
So there we go. We made a few different versions. I actually like this version heaps better. I like this version heaps better. So let's see what happens. If this doesn't sound good, I'm gonna keep the other version actually like that. Let's see what this does. Oh, what's going on here?
Dalam satu bini, ku menunggumu seperti janji. Mie goreng.
I like that. That sounds awesome, man. That photo is nice too. I like everything about this. I love it. Okay, so this is how we do it. So, as I said, I already did my homework beforehand because I wasn't sure, but I got the lyrics. We gave it the prompts. It tells you here how all that stuff is. Asked ChatGPT for a title. It gave me that. Now we don't need unmastered, man. Look at it. Even the quality sounds different, obviously.
Dalam satu diri.
Yeah, and then what we do is we come here, download as an MP3. I'm going to end this video here, and on my next video, I'm going to show you how you can upload these to Spotify, Instagram, TikTok, and all that. Let's go!